Everyone, today we'll take economics second chapter, people as resource. Earlier in 8th class we have studied about the natural resources. Now how people can become resource. Let me give an example. When we fall ill, where do we go? To doctor or to a teacher? Surely we'll go to the doctor. Why? Because doctor will give us proper treatment and teacher can teach. Similarly, people who acquire skill, well trained, educated, then only they become the people as a resource. Here in this aspects, we'll talk about 2 points. The very first point is education. Now how education play an important role by becoming the people as a resource. In that, 2 points are there. Virtuous cycle and vicious cycle. The parent who are already literate or they are educated, they also give education to their children. Therefore, virtuous cycle will be followed. Then they will give their children, and then vicious cycle is there. Now in this vicious cycle, what happened? The parent, those who are not going to school, they are also not sending their children to school. In that way, a vicious cycle also takes place. Another important thing, therefore, we can say the education play an important role. Another thing is health. A healthy person can become an asset for the nation. How he can become asset? If an unhealthy person is there in any firm or industry, his performance will not be good. After that, the employer will take him out. Why? Because his performance is not good. If he is taking proper nutritious diet, he is taking care of his health and he is quite healthy, then definitely this will play a very important role in human capital formation. Another thing, how population can become asset or liability. Now population can become liability when they are not utilizing their potential in a proper way. When they are not educated enough, when they are not healthy enough, then and they are not contributing in nation economy. They are not earning money. They are not giving their services properly to the society. Therefore, they become the liability for the society. Another thing, how they can become the asset. They can become asset by acquiring knowledge, having good training, earning money, contributing to the nation and in national economy. Therefore, they can become asset. So now here one question occurs, what do you want to become? Liability or asset? Definitely we should become an asset for the nation. Another thing, investment in human capital yield a return just like investment in physical capital. As we are buying any machine like combine harvester for farming, therefore once we have to spend the money, every year that machine is doing work. Similarly, while we are getting education, in that once we have to invest money, for further life will be going to earn by that knowledge only. Now, in spite of that, one problem is there in the country, that is unemployment. Unemployment basically 3 types, like seasonal and second unemployment is disguised unemployment, and third one is educated unemployment. Let me explain. The first one is seasonal unemployment. It is found in rural area. Why? Because we know that India is an agricultural country. Therefore, we have Rabi crop and Kharif crop. After that, they don't have any work. Therefore, the seasonal unemployment occur in rural area. Let's have the disguised unemployment. That is also there in the rural area. It is happen when the family is doing the farming in their farm houses. Suppose the farm houses, all eight members are doing work in their farmhouse. whether the need of the farmhouse is only 5. When we take out these 3 members, then it doesn't make any change or difference in that. Now we will come to the educated unemployment. This happening in the urban area only, where many educated people are there, but they were not getting job properly. Now one question is here, why women employed in low paid work? Because women are also working in this area. The reason is, sometimes women are less skilled, therefore they are also low paid. Another thing is, sometimes they don't have any protection at their workplace. The security will not be there. Therefore, many women are not coming out from the four wall of the house. Another thing is, women are not getting the maternity leave in the unorganized sector. Therefore, they are also not doing job in their low paid work. So, this is all about the people as resource. So, one question again I will ask to you, what do you want to become, liability or asset for the country? Thank you. Have a nice day.